What the E-terminal does is allow you to force the backup heat source when the heat pump cannot provide heat. The E or emergency heat terminal is used to activate the auxiliary heating system directly, typically electric resistance strips or a gas or oil furnace, so the thermostat bypasses the heat pump compressor and controls the backup heat only. Use the E-terminal when the outdoor unit is frozen, mechanically failed, or there is a refrigerant problem and you need immediate indoor warmth. Flip the thermostat to emergency heat mode and the thermostat will energize the E-terminal output. When engaging emergency heat, make sure the outdoor unit is off so the compressor is not driven against the thermostat demand, and be aware that electric resistance heat is much less efficient, so runtime and cost increase significantly. For systems where the thermostat only supplies a call for heat and not a dedicated line to the backup, confirm wiring at the air handler or control board so the E-terminal actually controls the heat strips or furnace relay. If you are a technician, test by measuring voltage at the E-terminal when the thermostat is set to emergency heat and verify the backup heat engages, and document the change so the homeowner understands higher operating cost and any temporary limitations. After repairs to the heat pump are complete, return the thermostat to conventional heat pump mode so the system resumes normal, efficient operation. People commonly confuse emergency heat with auxiliary heat and leave emergency heat on full time, which increases utility bills. The fix is to switch back to normal heat pump mode once the compressor is operational and educate occupants on when to use emergency heat. Another mistake is wiring the E-terminal incorrectly so the compressor still runs or the backup does not activate. Correct this by following the manufacturer wiring diagram and verifying control voltages at the thermostat and air handler. A third issue is assuming the thermostat will manage outdoor defrost cycles while in emergency heat, which it will not, so monitor indoor comfort and check the outdoor unit before switching back. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contracts and service providers related to heating systems and other major home work, so we can find options quickly. We also host an active discussion community where we and others share real-world experiences, troubleshooting tips, and contractor recommendations.